I wanted to have a look at this analog read function and just show you what's actually coming into the Arduino and what the Arduino actually sees, if you will. So I'm going to go with our circuit hooked up. So we have our potentiometer circuit with our LED hooked up. I'm going to go to File, Examples, Basics, Analog Read Serial. And I'm just going to upload this code. And now I am going to have a look at the serial monitor using this icon here. I'm going to open it and have a look here. And you can see a stream of zeros in this serial monitor. And then if I move my potentiometer in one direction, you can see that it is going up. And if I move it all the way, I have the number 1023. If I move it back again to 0. So we have a range of numbers as we twist our potentiometer. And by the way, some potentiometers have a little bit of they're a bit stiff, so you might have to twist a little bit harder than you might expect. So now I'm just twisting this potentiometer around between 0 and 1023. And the reason why we have that number between 0 and 1023 is because the Arduino is a 10-bit analog to digital converter. And because it has 10 bits, it has 2 to the 10th power possibilities. And that means we have a range of numbers between 0 and 1023 or 1024 values. And just briefly to talk about this serial monitor, we access it by typing this serial.begin code in. Most of the time we can just use this 9600 as our standard speed for the serial monitor. You don't have to worry about that now, but that is what is actually opening that serial monitor so that we can use it here. And we're actually using this serial print line. So we're taking this sensor value and we are sending it to the serial monitor using this serial print line. And this is a really valuable and useful function of the Arduino. When you want to see what value is actually coming in or what's happening in your code, you want to see it as an actual value, as we did. So it's worth understanding and getting used to. But quite often we can just use this example, which again is an examples basics analog read serial, and that will allow us to test sensors which are hooked up to our Arduino board.